The best wall-mounted pull-up bars. Wall-mounted pull-up bars are compact workout equipment that can help strengthen back muscles, arms, and shoulders, amongst other benefits. So if you are looking for the best wall-mounted pull-up bar, we have listed some of the trending and reliable ones, including their pros and cons. These are easy to mount and take up relatively less space, be it for your home gym or any other place inside your home. These exercise equipment are easy to install. Here are 5 best wall-mounted pull-up bars products reviews. Number 1. Best for vigorous workouts. Ultimate Body Press Wall Mount Pull-Up Bar. This is one of the best wall-mounted pull-up bars that come with an upgraded 42-inch wide single-piece pull-up bar. It is top-mounted on the risers for greater strength and includes 4 padded grip positions at 10, 16, 24, and 36 inches. This increases the workout choices with overhand narrow grip pull-ups and true wide grip pull-ups. The pull-up bar has 14 to 21 inches of wall clearance that offers a supreme range of motion. It comes with ultra-strong bolts for vigorous workouts. What we like: the maximum weight-bearing capacity of 300 pounds. Comes up with optional anchor accessories. Manufacturer warranty against product defects for 10 years. What we don't like: less weight capacity. Number 2. Best with L-shaped brackets. Titan HD Pull-Up Bars. The Titan HD wall-mounted pull-up bar bears a maximum capacity of 500 pounds. It can be installed vertically or horizontally, and its massive weight capacity offers resistance to your body weight. The bar can be mounted using 16-inch wood studs for custom widths at 16-inch, 32-inch, or 52-inch. The package comes with 2 L-shaped brackets, a long bar, and hardware for installation. What we like: height can be adjusted based on ceiling height or user's height. Bar has a length of 53 inches and diameter of 1.3 inch. Made from a 1-inch steel tube. What we don't like: metal used for the bar is a bit heavy. Number 3. Best comfortable grip. Stud bar. Ceiling or wall-mountable pull-up bar. This is another best-in-class wall-mountable pull-up bar with a width of 48 inches. The pull-up bar can be easily mounted to your existing ceiling or wall studs. It is made of hammer-tone powder-coated steel and can bear a weight of 600 pounds. The height of the pull-up bar can be adjusted for optimal reach, and its 1/14-inch bar diameter offers a comfortable grip. What we like: the package includes all mounting hardware. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Can be assembled easily. What we don't like: no parallel bars are included for neutral grip exercises. Number 4. Best powder-coated finish. Yes, for all wall-mount chin-up bar. The steel frame bar is among the best wall-mounted chin-up bars. The 25-inch bar is built using heavyweight steel for safety and steadiness and can bear up to 500 pounds of weight. It has a 30-inch wall clearance and a powder-coated finish to prevent slipping. The package comes with mounting hardware to fix the chin-up bar without any hassles. What we like: ideal for working out with extra fittings, such as ab straps and gym rings. Can be installed vertically or horizontally. Compatible with all wooden and concrete floors or ceilings. What we don't like: the metal used for wall-mounted bars is a bit thin. Number 5. Best non-slip grip. Gronk Fitness Wall-Mounted Pull-Up Bar. This powder-coated wall-mounted pull-up bar is a combination of strength and flexibility. The multi-grip bar has a sleek and compact frame that bears up to 800 pounds. The center frame of the bar comes with 3 pairs of inset bars, and the arched frame can be turned upside down for height reduction. What we like: comes with a non-slip grip option. Powder-coated to avoid rust. An arched frame is convenient for working on dips or muscle-ups. What we don't like: holes on the pull-up bar are not the most accurate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.